Hi guys, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks. Today's video is going to be quick and easy. If you love sweet and creamy cocktails that combine the flavors of orange and chocolate, this one's for you, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are making a Blue Lady. Real easy to make, 3 ingredients only, and without further ado, let's crack straight into it. So to make a Blue Lady, we need blue Curacao, white crème de cacao, and cream. So we're going to start with cream, 15 ml, half an ounce, followed by white crème de cacao, 15 ml, half an ounce, followed by blue Curacao, 45 ml, 1.5 ounce, now we need ice, and we're going to shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Now be careful, this can be explosive because of the cream. Oh man, and it looks amazing. Now we have a pre-chilled glass here, and we're going to strain the cocktail into our pre-chilled glass. Look at this amazing color. Ladies and gents, that's it. Blue Lady. Cheers. Beautiful. Orange, chocolate, sweet, beautiful color. Perfect. Well guys, that's it for today. We made a Blue Lady, real easy to make. Try it, let me know in the comments below what you think. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.